Village Highland Resort.
Your escape to nature's bliss. Hello, travel enthusiasts and book lovers.
Welcome to Village Highland Resort, where breathtaking views and serene surroundings create the perfect gateway. If you're looking to escape the city's hustle and connect with nature, this is your ideal destination. Stunning views to inspire you. Nest-led in the Highlands, the resort offers mesmerizing vistas of the Himalayan peaks, the historic charm of Bhaktapur, and the Kathmandu Valley. Wake up to golden sunrises and unwind with vibrant sunsets that paint the sky. Whether you're relaxing on the balcony or strolling through the gardens, the tranquil ambience is perfect for diving into your favorite books or simply soaking in the beauty.